Hello guys, we are back with our next lecture. In this lecture, let us go through the next question. Okay, so this question belongs to GATE CSC 2003. The given question is, in a system with a 32-bit virtual address, okay, and 11 KB page size, use of a one level page table for the virtual to physical address mapping is not not practical because of. So what is the reason why is this not practical is what they are asking. Okay, so option A says that the large number of internal fragmentation. Option B says that the larger chance of external fragmentation. Okay, so one of the most important thing that you should remember is so whenever you are discussing about paging, if you hear the word external fragmentation, please remove that option, guys, because in paging external fragmentation is not possible, right? Yes, so with that understanding we can eliminate this option, right? Yes, and moving on to option C. Option C says that the large memory overhead in maintaining page table. Okay, option D says that the large consumption overhead in the translation process. Okay, so they clearly told that 32 bits or 32 is the virtual memory, right? So it is nothing but a 2 power 32 will be the size of our secondary memory, and they clearly told that 11 is the size of the page table. Okay, and one more important thing is why option D. So option D is having an issue here, guys. So whenever we are working with the page table and all those things, we are trying to convert logical address to physical address, right? So this translation is fixed, right? So their number of bits and all those things are fixed. So will it be depending on anything? The answer is no. So with that, I think we can eliminate this option also. So now we are left out with the A and C. Okay, so A talks about internal fragmentation and C talks about the large memory overhead in maintaining the page table. Okay, so they told that the page table is 11 KB, right? Yes. Okay, so this is a small printing mistake, guys. It's only 1 KB. Okay, so 1 KB is nothing but 2 power 10, right? 2 power 10 bytes. So if I divide it by it, so that is a 2 power 10. So we will end up with 2 power 22. So basically this many number of entries are inside our page table, right? Okay, so with this what we can say, guys, so this is occupying really more space, right? Yes, so I think this could be the reason why this is not ideal, guys, because if you convert it into size, so it is nothing but a 4 MB, right? Yes, so that is 2 power 2 into 2 power 20. 20 is nothing but MB and 2 power 2 is nothing but 4. So 4 MB of size is occupied, right? Yes. So I think any entry with MB 4 MB will be really large, right? Because the issue is, so assume that a new process came and it needs only 1 bit of space. So at that time it is going to make huge internal fragmentation, right? Yes. So due to this overhead only, we will lead to internal fragmentation. So the most probable answer will be C is the correct answer. Got it? Yes. So now I hope everyone got a clear idea with respect to this question, right? Yes. So I hope everyone got a clear idea on this. So in the next lecture, let us continue with the next question. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more awesome videos like this. Thank you.